Hi everyone, it's Naomi, and I'm happy to share this elegant look with you today. These black patent Thong Mules are so sleek and shiny, they instantly add a touch of class to any outfit. I like how they make my legs look longer and more refined, especially paired with these sheer pantyhose. The heels feel balanced and light. Even though they're high, I can walk easily and feel confident with every step. The thong design keeps them feminine, but still simple and minimal. That mix of gloss and shape makes them perfect for a clean and polished style that I really enjoy. I think this combination of pantyhose and heels works beautifully. It's soft on the skin and gives a smooth finish that feels graceful and put together. I'm excited to show you more angles and movements so you can see how they look in detail. Let's start and enjoy this elegant try-on together. The pantyhose feels silky and smooth, and they give my legs a flawless finish. The light sheen catches the reflection of the heels and makes the whole look more put together. I like how they move when I walk, and how the fabric stays tight without wrinkles. It makes everything look very neat and clean. The heels have that glossy patent shine that always stands out under soft light. They don't slip, and the thong strap keeps my feet secure even with the high stiletto shape. The fit is just right, not too tight and not loose. I can feel the curve of the sole supporting my arch, and it feels elegant with every step. I think what makes this pair so nice is the balance between simplicity and confidence. They're not too flashy, but they have that charm that always gets attention. I love how classic black can transform into something chic just by pairing it right. And these mules do that perfectly. With every movement, they stay graceful and stylish. These heels feel elegant, but also firm and easy to walk, in. The strap between the toes stays comfortable even after some time, and the glossy surface keeps looking polished without marks. The pantyhose stay perfectly in place and add that extra sleek touch that makes the legs look longer and smoother. It's a combination that works so well together. I really like how this pair mixes confidence with class. The stiletto height gives the perfect lift, and the thong style keeps it casual enough to wear for different looks. It's a simple design, but it manages to feel special and stylish. I enjoy that it doesn't need any decoration to stand out. Just the clean black lines and the shine do all the work. If you enjoy elegant minimal heels, you'll probably love this style too. I'm really happy to share it, and I hope you liked spending this time with me. Don't forget to leave your thoughts. In the comments, give the video a like if you enjoyed it. And subscribe for more try-on hauls and reviews. See you soon with more shoes and styles from me naming.